channel. And in this particular video, I'm here to share you an important thing, and I wish that you'll be able to watch this particular video to the very end. Let me quickly show you something. Actually, you can see this particular countdown that is left with 5 hours, 4 minutes, and some seconds. It will be over very soon. I don't know the time you might be watching this particular video. It might actually be over, or you might be getting a time that is even more smaller than what you are actually seeing. So if I'll be dropping the link to participate in this particular opportunity if you want to actually go into it. So it's not something actually much, but for you to get the full grips or for you to understand the whole scope of what I'll be explaining in this particular video, you need to watch the particular video I posted yesterday, which I'll be dropping in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification event that will upload another new opportunity. And this particular project I'm talking about is all about Oxin. I've been talking about this particular project. So if you haven't get started, I want you to get started. You can get started now ASAP and watch all the video I've created on it, because I'll be dropping them in the description and also in the comment section as well as video, so that you'll be able to start. And the referral link will be available in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, it is available, it is free. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So let me quickly take you to where I'm going into. So you can see they say it is coming soon. And what is coming soon is for you, the opportunity for you to swap your Oxin to what we call the wrap Oxin. Just keep cool. I will explain everything. So, you know what we are actually mining in the Oxin app, including in the Telegram. We are mining gems and also getting Oxin token, which is the native token. Also, and also in the mobile app, also we are getting Oxin. So now, you say Oxin coin, which is Oxin, to wrap Oxin bridge launches in 5 hours. So this is where it gets complicated now, which you need to actually start fast if you want to start and be among the lucky winner, because it is limited. So you can see, you say first 50,000 user initial bridge. So this particular access is only will be open and will be available to first 50,000 individual. Don't smile, because there's still some benchmark which you need to meet up with, and these are those people that will be available for the 50,000. The first one, miners, web and app miners, that has what the total and verified balance. Now holders that have the wrapped Oxin holders and on-chain wallet Oxin balance. You might actually have this particular tool, but this is the last one that you might not have. And if you have it, you are one of the lucky people, because you might be picked. Is to have the premium user, that is the active OG premium pass and key holders. So I'll be explaining all this, what we call the premium user, and how to actually get started if you want to do it. Remember, I'm not a financial analyst. If you want to do it, kindly use your own particular discretion if you actually want to do it. I'm not saying any individual should actually do it. So let me take you further in, so I'll be able to explain what is all this whole thing grammar actually means. So now this is the particular link. This was a post they posted on 19 about that particular bridge that will be coming up, which is this. This is the link. I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So if you want to participate. And this is now, they say Oxin ecosystem update, pay gateway integration bridge countdown. So I'll tell you, and I'll show you in my yesterday video on about the bridge that is actually coming. They said, yeah, Oxinator, we are officially integrating the new Oxin Pay Gateway into our web and app miners platform over the next 24 hours. Moving forward, all premium pass payments will be processed and instantly verified through our native payment gateway. OJ pass activation fees for users facing temporary activation issue after completing their payment. Please do not worry about it. So it is something that's even very cheap, which I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to navigate and be able to do it. You say congratulations to all our active, light, VIP, super user and OG premium pass holder. Your alert advantage and boost percentage are officially secure. 24 hours remaining, first 500,000. And I know that people having this particular OG pass are more than the 50,000 actually. So get ready. If you have Oxin in your on-chain wallet, total balance in your web or app miner, and active premium OG special pass, prepare your balance to bridge Oxin to wrap Oxin and stay for the coming Bybit. So these people that will be able to swap their Oxin to wrap Oxin will be the one to be able to swap this their wrap Oxin to USDT in the later day. So I don't know if this would also be still be opening to the general in public. So let me show you all of these in the Oxin app. So if you want to buy the pass, it's all will be taking place in the Oxin app. So this is my Oxin app now. Let me quickly show you something now before I show you how you'll be able to do it now. So this is the on-chain in progress or balance that they are talking about. So this is my verified balance now. I'm not having anything there. So but people who have the particular origin are one of the lucky 50,000 will be the one to be able to migrate this their wallet balance, that it will be moved to this particular verified balance, and from there they will be able to send it out into from Oxin to this one is Oxin coin correctly to what we call the wrap Oxin. But before that, if you do not have OG pass and you want to buy, you come just to this particular place in your account here. You could see OG premium pass. So you come to this get started. You tap on this particular get started. You could see we have the gold package and we have the diamond package. And this one, the mining boost is 0 point, and it lasted for 12 days. And the spot left is 2,540 have been filled out of 5,000 spot. And this is the available days that it's ending in the next 8 particular days. And you can use either BNB, USDT, USDC, then or if you have this wrap token, you can use it to pay, because if for BNB it is $1.50. So you can put it in USDT if you have USDT. So if you want to do it now, you will now tap on this particular proceed to payment for it to go to the payment. So if you go to the gold package, you can see it is $3. And if you want to go to the diamond package, it is actually $6. And the diamond package will last for 18 days. The gold package is for 15 days, and you can see the mining boost is +2, and the diamond package is the mining boost is for 4.50. So for those who want to proceed, when you tap on this particular payment, I think you can see an address will be given to you for you to make the payment. See complete payment. So a timer will be given to you to send to this particular wallet and this particular payment address. So this is the USDT contract address or the payment wallet address. So you enter the transaction hash ID here and you actually verify. I'm not making payment. This is just for tutorial. And after that, if you have actually been accepted and you are among the 50 lucky thousand people, you see that your balance will be able to move from here to this particular place. Then you'll be able to now use this particular Oxin bridge that we are actually talking about. Then from here, you'll be able to use particular place to migrate your Oxin to Oxin bridge. So it is also 1:1. Let me say I want to migrate. I have 200 Oxin. That means I'll be getting the same 200. This is 200 Oxin. This is my available balance. I'm not having anything. It will now give me 200 wrap Oxin. This wrap Oxin is what I'll be able to use to send anytime the time for the swapping and the bridging from wrap Oxin to USDT actually comes up. You could see now, you see how to swap wrap Oxin to USDT. That one is coming up very, very soon. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification, get anytime to upload another new video like this. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be available in the description and also the comment section of this particular video. Thank you and bye-bye for now.